In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a blog and make money, Wix blog. By the end, you'll have AdSense added to your Wix site, ad units placed where you want them, and your changes published live. Start by signing into your Wix account and heading to My Sites. From there, choose the site you want to monetize by selecting it and opening the editor. This brings you to the dashboard and editor, where we'll add Google AdSense through Wix's app system. Open the Apps or App Market section in your dashboard. In the search bar, type AdSense, and look for the official option called Wix Monetize with AdSense. Select it, then click Add to Site, and confirm by choosing Agree and Add. This connects the app to your website so you can place ad elements on your pages. Back in the editor, you'll see prompts or an option to add the AdSense element to your site. Click Add to Site to insert the first ad unit. If a Monetize with AdSense panel appears, open it so you can manage the ad element. To create more than one placement, use Duplicate. This lets you quickly build a few ad units without reconfiguring each one from scratch. Now, click an ad element and drag it to where you want it on the page. You can place ads in your header area, sidebar, between sections of a blog post, or near the footer, wherever it complements your content. As a tip, aim for placements that are visible without being intrusive. Above the fold can perform well, but avoid covering important text or crowding buttons and navigation. Keep enough spacing around ads to prevent accidental clicks, and remember that a clean layout usually leads to better engagement and compliance. If you duplicate an ad, drag the copy to a different spot to diversify your placements. Consider how your visitors scroll. One ad near the top, another mid-article, and one lower on the page often balances visibility and user experience. Also keep mobile in mind. Make sure your placements still look good on smaller screens, and don't push key content too far down. When your ad units are placed and you're happy with the layout, click Publish to push your changes live. If you've just linked AdSense